Welcome back, Conquerors. Your presence and support mean everything on this journey to awakening and limitless abundance. And if you're new here, welcome to Awake and Conquer, where we unlock divine tools to help you manifest the life you deserve. Tonight we're positioning you perfectly for the new moon in Libra. Here are the verified details first. The exact moment is Tuesday, October 21st, 2025 at 7:25 a.m. CDT, which is 12:25 UTC. If you're catching this at night, you're in the new moon window, ideal for intention work through the evening. Zodiac sign and degree, Libra, late degrees, about 28 degrees Libra. This is a relationship recalibration lunation, balance, justice, beauty, and aligned agreements. Not a supermoon, not an eclipse. October's supermoon already happened on October 6th, the full harvest moon. This new moon is a normal dark lunation, great for manifestation because skies are extra dark. Meteor bonus. Dark skies also boost the Orionid Meteor Shower, which peaks October 21st, a nice omen for wishes written in the dark. Now, the planetary picture around this new moon. In tropical astrology, Jupiter at about 24 degrees Cancer, a cardinal water sign, forms a square to the Libra New Moon. That means big feelings, expansion themes in home, family, and security, challenging relationship balance. Saturn retrograde in Pisces, around 26 degrees, is in a quincunx to the new moon, so that's adjustments, boundaries, and grown-up choices in spiritual and service arenas. Pluto at about 1 degree Aquarius forms a tight sextile to the new moon, which brings discreet but potent transformation. Upgrade your agreements, systems, and communities. Mercury-Mars conjunction in Scorpio, around 18 to 21 degrees, colors the week with truth-telling courage and surgical focus. Use it to speak clearly, cut cords, and negotiate fair terms. Uranus at about 0 degrees. Gemini, retrograde, offers a wide, out-of-sign trine vibe. Fresh ideas, new channels, lighter thinking, keep flexibility high. What it means for each element, use your sun and rising. Water signs, so this is your reminder to balance caring for others with boundaries that really protect your peace. Cancer, home and family decisions are expanding fast, so choose what truly nurtures you. Jupiter square is lighting this up right now. Scorpio, with Mercury and Mars in your sign, you get this rare clarity and courage. Maybe renew your vows with yourself before you renew them with anyone else. Pisces, Saturn is asking for some sober edits to your routines, just so your spiritual depth doesn't end up draining your body. And here's an affirmation. I honor my feelings and design relationships that protect my peace. Earth signs. It's all about the systems that support your love and money. Even small, elegant tweaks will compound over time. Taurus, focus on micro habits around wellness and workflow. They'll restore harmony. Virgo, take a moment to refine your pricing, your sense of value, and your boundaries. It's all about balancing service with fair exchange. Capricorn, it's time for a career agreements update. Choose collaborations that really respect your time and your craft. The affirmation for you. My boundaries and systems create calm, prosperity, and ease. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. This is your relationship renaissance, a moment for message mastery. Gemini, you're finding new terms, clearer messaging, and, honestly, better platforms. Iterate fast, then commit. Libra, it's your reset. Initiate the version of you that moves with grace and standards. Aquarius, you're feeling a subtle Plutonian boost, so upgrade your networks, your tech, and your mission. Let's anchor this with an affirmation. I speak clearly, choose wisely, and attract aligned partnerships. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. This is about courageous alignment. It's heat without hurry. Aries, relationship mirrors are teaching you balance, Lead with listening, then move. Leo, your creative and romantic contracts want clarity, so spotlight what's mutual. Sagittarius, it's time for purpose and path recalibration. Aim true, narrow the target, and commit. Here's your affirmation. My passion is guided by wisdom. I move in balanced power. For this Libra New Moon ritual flow, start by setting the space with 2 candles, one white for clarity and one pink for harmony. Center yourself with 3 minutes of coherent breathing, inhaling for a count of 4 and exhaling for a count of 6. Next, write 3 balanced intentions using this formula. I choose your value. I release your pattern. I welcome your aligned outcome. Now speak the universal new moon affirmation 3 times. I choose balance. I release struggle. I welcome relationships and opportunities that honor my truth. To seal the ritual, place your intentions under a small bowl of water with a pinch of salt. Libra stands for balance, water for feeling, and salt for boundaries. Discard the water tomorrow at sunrise. Let's move into Libra New Moon power affirmations. Say each one 3 times, letting their energy settle in. I create relationships that honor my worth. I choose calm, clarity, and clean agreements. I attract opportunities that balance give and receive. I speak my truth with kindness and strength. I release indecision and move with elegant action. I welcome partners who match my effort and vision. My boundaries are loving, clear, and respected. Harmony in my heart shapes harmony in my life. I am magnetic to fair, prosperous outcomes. Peace is my baseline. Abundance follows. Drop I am balance in the comments to activate your intention and connect with our Conquer community. Like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone ready to manifest aligned abundance.